Snarf.
Hi guys, it is time for another portfolio update. So I know I haven't done one in a while. It's been over a week, so you guys are due for an update. So I apologize it's taken me so long. I've been working on making those dividend digest videos, and the market wasn't doing too well last week. Plus, we lost a market day. So a lot of different factors kept me from doing an update. But it is Monday. It is December the 10th, so I'm going to go ahead and dig in, show some of the changes I've done with my portfolio, how they've progressed, and where I want to be with them. So let's go ahead and dig in. Let's start with Acorns. So you can see we are getting really close to that $1,000 threshold. I have earned a little bit more found money. Part of that is through BarkBox. So each month they'll take a little bit of your subscription fee and they'll return it to you. So if we actually dig in here, let's kind of look, see where we're actually earning some money with BarkBox. Yeah, so $1.18 the previous month. This month was $1.56. So we do the Super Chewer box. So that's kind of why there's a little bit of a premium on that. So that'll be money we get back in our pockets and reinvest it eventually. But let's go and dig into the portfolio in Acorns. All right, so total invested, again, this is the lifetime of the account, so that's not the actual value in it right now. Let's get a better view. Let's go to present. And let's get a detailed breakdown. All right, performance. For the day, let's look at the month. So, not looking too hot this last month. This is the last week or so. You can see there has not been that steady upward trend. It has sort of leveled out. We are getting close to $1,000, and I think my goal was once I hit $1,000, which briefly the other day we did break $1,000 because the market was in our favor. I decided to change my investments with Acorns, so now instead of $5 every day plus double roundups, I am now just doing $10 a week on Monday and then the double roundup. So my plan was to get to 1,000 and then to sort of back off. I was doing $5 every day when the market was down in October just to take advantage of some of that. And now I'm where I want to be. I'm at $1,000. That was kind of my milestone. And now I'm just sort of going to ease up on that. I'm going to invest that money somewhere else, so don't think I'm just missing out on those opportunities, but I'm just going to do something a little different with it. Acorns is a much different investing vehicle than M1 Finance or Fidelity, so that is why I've sort of changed directions with it. Once I get my spend card and other found money offers, that's where the majority of my money is going to be made with Acorns. So that's where we're standing now. Let's see. Where can I show that I've changed my contribution? Here we go. All right, so you can see I'm still an aggressive portfolio, automatic roundups, 2 times multiplier, and I'm doing $10 every week. So yeah, we're real close to 1,000, so that shouldn't be too hard to hit there. Let's dig into M1 Finance. So here's my dividend digest portfolio. So I have restructured this a lot since the last time you guys saw it. I've gone heavily into dividend paying stocks and funds. I have 4 different funds right now. Again, I've reviewed all of these in my dividend digest. I've now exhausted my my portfolio as far as reviewing those stocks. So if you guys have any ones that you want me to review, go ahead, and I'll probably look into those. But you can see we got Gladstone, we have Capital Southwest, Guggenheim, and then we also have Enviva. A lot of these I've found through Reddit and other sources. People like to use them. Good and Guggenheim are both monthly dividend payers. Capital Southwest and Enviva are both quarterly. So let's see. If we look at holdings, you can see over the lifetime of the account, we are up, so that is nice. And that's just in basically stock value. That's not necessarily the dividends, because if we look all time, I haven't had that many dividends actually hit yet. That's normal. I'm not too worried about that. I've only probably had this portfolio for a quarter, so just to have any dividends at all is nice. But the dividends we have received, $2.64, expect that to go up, and I'll show you why. I actually have been using my calculator on my spreadsheets to figure out what sort of returns I'm looking at. So if we tab back and forth, so you can see I have 772 in Gladstone, which let me just punch it in. $772 in Gladstone. So within a year, you know, they should make me roughly $62 in dividends. Capital Southwest, I have $211. So if we do that, 211. Capital Southwest should make me almost $15 in dividends. Guggenheim, 152. So that's accurate, 152. I'll round down in my benefit. So almost 1774 if I keep that for a year. And then in Viva I have 6268. So 62, I'll round down. Almost close to $6. So these calculations are based on me not putting in $25 every Monday, which I do. So these are really rough, but you can see my portfolio is looking to gain a lot of dividend income that way. So Dividend Digest looking really good there. I might pump $500 into it here in the future, and I'm definitely going to redirect some cash now that I'm not putting $5 a day into Acorns. I'm going to probably send it over this way and see if I can get some good dividend returns. Then let's go on to Fidelity Go. All right, so here we are. Your Fidelity Go balance is $7,496.40. So we have had, let's see, $7,575 is our cost basis, meaning how much actual money we've pumped into it. So if we go over here on the graph, it does reflect how much below our initial investment we are. What's nice about this is that it does take into account your reoccurring investments into this and counts that into your being above or below your initial investment. So if you look here, it's showing minus $7.80.60. If you added that up to that total that's right above it, you would get $7,575, which would break us even. So this does calculate that very nicely. We did actually have some dividends hit off of some of these investments, and we can actually look at that. It's pretty nice to see. Here we go, view details. All right, here we go. So my Fidelity Go account activity. So here's the purchase it made after receiving all the dividends. It's about $30 worth. And here are the dividends received. So dividends received, there's $3.17 worth. And it breaks down what the dividend was from and how much it is. Here's some, $2.51. Here's a larger one, $20.25. And here's some cap gains, meaning, you know, the asset gained, appreciated in value. They're short-term, long-term. So we are seeing some nice returns so far. I know the market's been down, so it still shows us at a loss over the account lifetime. But with these dividends, I'm not too worried. So that is the update on this, the portfolios, this account, M1 Finance account, and Acorns. So hopefully me rearranging my investments a little bit, sort of expanding my portfolios and shrinking other ones will pay off. I've done my research. I've been setting different goals, so I think they'll play out in my favor. But that's all I got for you guys today. As always, comment, like, and subscribe if you like these videos. Tell me what you want to see more of, what you don't want to see more of, what you think I should include, and I will try and get that in the next video for you guys. So I will catch you later. Thanks.